properly fasten your seatbelt, slide the flat end into the buckle. To release, lift up on the buckle. Your seatbelt should be worn tight and lower across your hips at all times while seated. There are 6 emergency exits on board this aircraft, 2 in the front, 2 over the wing, and 2 in the back. Signs overhead and lights on the floor will lead you to these exits. In the event of evacuation, follow flight attendant commands and leave everything. In the unlikely event of a water evacuation, there's a life vest located underneath your seat. Pull the red tab, move the container, open the container, move the pouch, take out the vest, place it over your head, wrap the black strap around your waist, buckle in front, and pull it tight. Once outside that aircraft, pull down on the red tab, or you can blow into the tube at your shoulder. There is a light that will be activated once you enter the water. Flight attendants will distribute additional life vests as needed. Flight attendants are coming by to make sure your seatbelts are securely fastened. Your seatbelts and tray tables are in the full upright and locked position, and all your carrying items are completely stowed, leaving the area around your feet clear. Smoking is not allowed aboard this aircraft. This includes the use of electronic cigarettes. It's a federal law to destroy, disable, or tamper with a smoke detector in an aircraft lavatory. Federal aviation requires passenger compliance with lighted signs, posted placards, and crew members' instructions. Ladies and gentlemen, you are prohibited from consuming any alcohol you may have brought on board. If you don't do it, keep it in your bag. Over the strict service one more time. Here's a new pretty little car at Southwest that lots of money on. So if you want to come when we come by, you're going to hold a 1, 2 for a diet, 3 for a 7-Up, and 4 for a water. That way everybody gets to keep their masks on, and we get to provide you with our Southwest hospitality. Oxygen filled on the plastic tubing until it's fully extended. Remove your mask, place our mask over your nose and mouth, and breathe normally. Continue wearing the mask until otherwise notified by a crew member. If you're traveling with a small child or somebody acting like a small child, place your mask on first and then assist others. That's it for show and tell. Those are the do's and don'ts. Please do the do's, don't do the don'ts. It's a 2-hour and 18-minute ride to beautiful, sunny Fort Myers, Florida. Ladies and gentlemen, we are here primarily for your safety, but also for your comfort. If you see any unwanted behavior, please report it to a flight attendant. Sit back and relax and enjoy your flight. seatbelt. When the captain brings his airplane to the screeching halt at the gate, please be careful opening the overhead bins as items tend to shift during flight and could fall out. This is the termination of this aircraft. Please take seatback pockets for your keys, your phones, your wallets. Once you deplane the aircraft, you will not be allowed back on again. Certainly enjoyed spending part of our evening with you. We know the shift choices when you fly, and we thank you for choosing Southwest Airlines. Buckle up, be safe, be kind to one another. Ladies and gentlemen, as you're exiting the aircraft and going to the terminal, please make sure that your mask is over your nose and mouth during all times. Welcome to Fort Myers.